Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you where the laundry detergent goes on this Maytag washing machine. The model number on this Maytag washing machine is MVWC565FW1. And this might be a different process on different Maytag washing machines, so make sure that you refer to your use and care guide for your Maytag washing machine for all of the specifics on this process. And before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And you need to make sure that you use the correct laundry detergent for your Maytag washing machine. This Maytag washing machine is HE high efficiency, so it uses HE high efficiency laundry detergent. Okay, you need to make sure that the washing machine is off and not running. And then I'm going to open the lid here and we'll take a look inside of the washing machine laundry basket. And whatever laundry detergent you use, make sure that you refer to that laundry detergent's directions and warnings for how to use it properly. And on our washing machine, we use the laundry detergent packets. I have one here, and I'm just going to gently place this at the bottom of the washing machine laundry basket like so. And if you do not use laundry detergent packets, you'll just put the measured amount of laundry detergent that you want to use at the bottom of the washing machine laundry basket before you put any clothes into the washing machine laundry basket. And after you have your laundry detergent in the washing machine basket, the next step would be to put the clothes that you want to wash into the washing machine laundry basket. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching. And I do have other videos about this Maytag washing machine, and I will link 2 of them at the end of this video. And if you're interested and have time, please check those videos out. One of the videos that I'm going to link, I talk about the different cycle options for this washing machine. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.